Hey, it's Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well today. And if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some online research about how do affiliate marketers actually make money. Well, we're going to cover that in detail today. But before I jump into that, I just want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money online right now. I'm going to drop a link in the description below this video, and you can check out that link if you want to find out my number one recommendation. All right, so let's get into it. Now, what is it that affiliate marketers actually do? Well, essentially, affiliate marketing is finding customers who have a problem or who have a pain point, and you are then connecting them with a company that has a product that solves that pain point or problem that the customer has. And you, as an affiliate marketer, are connecting the customer and the product so that it actually solves the need or the problem that the customer has. And that's essentially what you're doing as an affiliate marketer. Now, of course, these companies with the products, they can go out and find all these customers if they wanted to. But the reality is that they're just one, let's say, marketing division in that company. And affiliate marketers have tons of different methods for finding leads and customers. In fact, you as an affiliate marketer, you might have your own audience already that you built on TikTok or YouTube or Facebook. And these companies don't have access to that audience yet. It's your audience and you can introduce them to that product. So it's really a beautiful symbiotic relationship between the affiliate marketer, the customer, and the company. Now, the commission is where you get paid. Okay, so when you connect that customer to the company selling the product and the sale is made, the sale is tracked according to your affiliate ID with that company, and you make a commission. Now, the commission can be anywhere from, let's say, 20% to 100%. Now, you think 100%, how could a company pay 100% commission? Well, it's because most companies that are offering a product have a value ladder. And a value ladder is like this. On the first step, there is a kind of lower price product. Let's say it's a $25 course that's going to help this person, let's say in the weight loss niche. It's a $25 course that's going to teach your customer really the good basics of how to lose weight. It's going to be super valuable, super helpful, right? And they buy that product. Now, you might get 100% commission on that first step of the ladder, right? Now, the next step of the ladder for those customers who need maybe a little bit more help or they're ultra committed, that company might offer a $2,000 live training for, maybe it's a webinar or online, but it's let's say a several day or week based training that's $2,000, and that's really going to help that customer get over the hump and really start losing weight. So not every customer is going to go for that, but some of them are going to pay the $2,000 live training fee, and your commission on that might be more like 20 to 50%, right? But still, that's really good. Now, further up the ladder, the sales and value ladder, the company might actually offer something like a $9,000 personal coaching with the founder of that company, let's say. And some customers who are just absolutely committed to losing weight, they want to stop at nothing to lose weight, they might go for that $9,000 personal coaching from the founder of the company because they know if they've got that personal coaching, they are going to lose weight. And then your commission there again might be 20 to 50%, and still that is very excellent. So the potential here is huge. Now, you've got to keep in mind also that there are going to be expenses in affiliate marketing. They're not huge, but there are some tools that you need to have, such as your autoresponder, sending emails out automatically to your customers, a capture page through ClickFunnels or Upbounce, Unbounce, or I forget what to call it right now. But that's going to be a monthly expense as well, and you're going to probably pay for tracking your conversions, some sort of tracking system. So there are some expenses. Also, leads can actually cost money. If you're doing paid per click advertising or some sort of paid advertising, the industry standard is you're going to probably pay about $2 per lead to get them into your sales funnel. So if you're only selling that $25 course, you're probably not going to make money because $2 a lead, it's going to take a lot more leads to get into your system to make that one $25 sale. But if you break even on that $25 sale and then a percentage of your customers buy that $2,000 live training, then you're in profit. And then if a couple of them buy the $9,000 training, and then you're really in profit. So the idea here is to make sure you've got a product that has a good sales ladder so that you're ultimately profitable over time. Now, I've chosen to go with the route where I'm using free leads, which is through video marketing, which is a really powerful platform, and it kind of combines the best of both worlds. You get free leads, and I've connected with a company that has an excellent sales ladder or value ladder that is scaled up and provides a ton of value. If you want to check that company out and kind of see an example of a good value ladder and how that works, I put the link below in the description, and you can check that out if you want to. Now, the route that I went may not be for everyone, but I hope that this makes sense, and I hope that it's kind of clicking for you how affiliate marketers make money, not only make money, but stay in profit right throughout the long term. So I hope you realize that the number one goal of an affiliate marketer is to help people. I know that might sound kind of cliche, but the reality is that when you connect a person that has a problem to a product that has a solution to the problem, everybody is happy because that customer is happy because their problem solved. The company's happy because they made a profit, and you're happy because you got a commission on the sale. It's a win-win-win for everyone. So as long as you're doing that, then the money and the success and the profits will all naturally come from helping people in that way. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.